Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. Before we get into it, let's give this video a thumbs up. If you're new around here, you already know what to do. So AMC, we in today at $12.70, guys. Crazy day in the market today. Everywhere you looked, every corner you peeped around, it won't nothing but red. Red. You got Walmart losing over $19 billion in one day alone. You got Target down over 25% on one day alone. You got Nike down. You got Amazon down over 8%. You got Apple down. You got Tesla down of almost 10%. You got all these large cap companies down significantly on today, guys. And Target was one of the biggest reasons for this happening. This was already going on prior, guys. So this is just, basically an excuse, something to happen to get us right back to what we was already going through. We seen the market trying to recover. We knew it was just temporary. It wasn't going to sustain itself, but we knew the spike was inevitable to happen, being for the fact that we already got driven down to low prices. People is buying regardless of what's going on. You see Warren Buffett is stepping out. He putting millions and billions in the market because this is the only time he come out when something significant happen like this. Whenever he can get great companies at a fair price. But this time he able to get them way better than a fair price. He able to get them for the best price possible. So he putting in way more than he really normally would. Everybody is. So that being said, the market is just trying to keep falling. And that's just going to keep letting us load up at these crazy low prices, guys, because a huge transfer of wealth is about to happen during these times. This is when it happened, guys. Somebody with just 100,000 in their name is about to become a millionaire. Somebody with 200,000, they about to be the new millionaire. Somebody with about 10, 50 bands, they about to be the new millionaires. All depending on how they leverage their money, guys, and how they, maneuver their cash and the type of knowledge that they acquired previous to this happening. That's why it's always better to be prepared, guys, for situations like this, because a lot of people don't know how to take advantage of something like this that's happening. And this what investors, traders, this what everybody is, they'll die for, whatever going on right now. Like what, not literally, but this is exactly what they want to happen. Significant drops like we're seeing and experiencing. But anyways, guys, like we say, man, AMC is shown today that this thing is a beast. It's a monster. It's ready to ride. Because let's take a look at this, man. The overall market got hammered today. Worst day since 2020. The Dow fell over 1,100 points. That should have off gate, because AMC and GME, the meme stocks, moving overall with the market as well. So that should have off gate took them on a dive. Easily broke under that 1250, right where we had resistance at on yesterday that we broke through. And I had told you guys we wanted to see support there. That's where we'll start building support at 1250. That's why we came down there. We kept coming down to 1260-ish today, and we can't go up under. But due to the fact on what happened today with the overall market taking a huge hit, Target doing what it did, dropping over 25%, because it missed by analyst expectations. We know how they like to do, guys. Target, I haven't really looked into it all the way to see exactly how bad that they did, but I already know how the feds, the government, the analysts, I already know how they like to operate. Even if, just like inflation, we didn't necessarily reach our peak, but when CPI inflation data came out, we hit a peak of 8.5%. Analysts expected us to go down to 8.1%. We came down a bit to 8.3%. Even though we came down, which is still a good sign, they still, sent the market down tumbling because we didn't do what analysts expected us to do. You get what I'm saying? So you already know, guys, how that is. So anyways, hopefully we could get this turnaround. It was a panic today. People panicked or what happened, what the expectations came out to be. Hopefully we could, that was priced in today, and we could see this recovery on tomorrow. Because if the market can bounce back on tomorrow, AMC is definitely about to take off, because, it proved itself on today, guys. It outperformed the market on today as well. While the market was doing its thing, AMC was doing its thing. Steady outperforming the market, guys, on yesterday and today, while it closed in the red. So you already know, guys, a lot of people is moving money to AMC, and this thing is looking like it's about to have another short squeeze. So let's go ahead and take a look at this, guys, right here. So AMC, another short squeeze is coming soon. AMC Entertainment posted a strong Q1 2022 earnings report with improvements in revenue and theater traffic. We know theater traffic, it went from 6 million to 36 million, almost 5x itself. Also revenue 4-5x itself as well. So AMC is doing extremely well at this point in time. They also venturing off, investing in other things that, you know, that is like good in a sense, even though it ain't within the gold mining company. Like it's gold. Gold is more valuable than money. Inflation at its all-time high like it is, gold is steady increasing and going up. So by them doing that, making that move, it was a great move, and it also paid off. We also know that AMC recently disclosed news on today that the company recently got stake in a national semi-media company, which is 6.8%. It provides pre-movie advertising and marketing in theaters. So that's great, guys. AMC steady doing things to put themselves separate from everybody else. AMC short interest currently sits at around 21% and could trigger a massive short squeeze as institutions and hedge funds are buying up the stock. So you guys already know, man, this thing is just getting started. A lot of money is coming this way. A lot of people see what's going on, how AMC is performing, how it's steady to, you know, spiking, kicking back up. People still remember what happened not too long ago. Came down to 13, went to 33 in a matter of days. Came right back down to 13, give you another opportunity. Came down even lower, going to 970, and then about to pop back up to the 30s and continue, guys. So you already know, guys, we see right here on the chart exactly how perfect this thing is looking. We ended the day at 1270. The day we was hovering around that 1260, 1250-ish range. Didn't go any lower. And if we look back on yesterday, that's exactly where our resistance was at 1250. That's exactly where our resistance was at 1250. So you guys see it. You already know this thing is looking good. We still got some more grinding to do. You already know what to do, though. Add me on Instagram at The B Hayes Show. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We go.